Hey everyone, it is James of geometriccharts.com, about 5:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We got the 4-hour chart of Bitcoin, BTC, USD on the Bitfinex exchange. And first of all, video is not investment advice. Second of all, I said that I thought Bitcoin was trying to find its bottom for a potential relief rally in the market. I still think we're at that level where Bitcoin is going to try to find some footing and then provide a little bit of a bigger relief rally than what we saw during this little spike up. So I think the room for downside is pretty limited here due to the massive amounts of selling in this market. If somehow the market just starts to drop out under the low, staying under the low that is set on any exchange, then we could have a problem in Bitcoin where there could be another waterfall event incoming, meaning that another significant leg down, and I would imagine that leg down tearing into about the 2800 or sub 2800 level across the board in all exchanges. So anyways, if we can hold this level and kind of chop around, I imagine this move is not going to be easy. There might be an initial thrust out, but I imagine we are going to see some choppy price movement, just like we have in the recent past in Bitcoin, where you get a lot of whips up and down in the market and the moves are not as smooth as they used to be. So we'll see what happens. I know the shorts are high, and I said that too. I said, everyone's been conditioned to short the market at this level. Everyone's feeling happy, fat and happy. There still could be some more downside, but I think it's very limited. And I think what's happening is the shorts are being conditioned and conditioned and conditioned. They're getting bloodthirsty, and once they get smacked out, it's going to basically pull the cord, and the move is going to unravel to the upside, aka relief rally. I don't think it's going to be the bottom for Bitcoin, but that is what I'm expecting at the moment for Bitcoin, and this may not transpire at least for another day, possibly two. We'll see. I imagine this week we'll see at least a portion of this move back up to knock the short traders out, to reset sentiment, get people bullish again, and then from there come in and just literally take a baseball bat to all the bulls' legs and just batter them in as we waterfall over again in Bitcoin. So anyways, short term, I'm bullish, right? It's going to be one heck of a ride. It's literally going to be like riding a bull. I don't think this is going to be a smooth ride at all like we've seen in the past. I think everyone needs to get their hard hats on, neck braces, and get ready to see some violent moves up and down as we progress higher. If it is smooth, then great, but I would definitely advise having a neck brace on watching the chart. But so short term, I'm bullish. Longer term, as in like maybe after a couple weeks, I'm bearish in Bitcoin. I think all this is going to do is create a B pivot out of an ABC wave move. Now there's many other pivots that are occurring with inside of this, but just the overall move should be an ABC formation. And again, I think that could deep dive us to breaking the current low that we currently have now at around, what is it, about 3280 or so, roughly, just eyeballing it. So I do think we'll break that in the near future, like within inside of a month or something. I just don't think Bitcoin is going to skyrocket from here and literally stay and traverse its way right back up to 6,000 like nothing ever happened, and then just launch to the moon like many people probably want people to believe. And it's unfortunate, but anyways, so that's it for the analysis. As long as Bitcoin can hang around this zone, it should be bullish. If not, and there's a waterfall event, meaning a series of big bars, big candles to the downside, something else is occurring, and I would definitely stay patient and just see what's happening on the downside. If that is occurring around the 28, maybe even sub 2800 level, I mean, it could get really nasty if this market just collapses out again from this level, meaning that there are literally no GuPpY is willing to come into this market, and all the big traders are like, hey, I'm not falling for this crap, and everyone's just kind of patiently waiting on the side. It could lead to another fallout in the market. But, like I said earlier, I think there's a low probability of that based on the amount of selling pressure that we've had in this market. So if you do like the video, please like, comment, subscribe, follow. I appreciate everyone's time, everyone's support. If you're interested in charts that actually have numbers where I put profit targets, areas to stop, multiple objectives like support, resistance zones. I do that for Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, XLM, ADA, RaLlY, Neo, IOTA. Those are the main ones I follow. I do that morning and night. Some of the charts are updated mostly once a day. Bitcoin's updated multiple times a day, and at least that way everything's kept as fresh as possible. I also cover the stock market, commodities, and Forex, but and then do morning and night videos over at geometriccharts.com. It's $25 a month. And it's been a very pleasant journey, and I've been very blessed with the amount of people and also the positivity that surrounds all that, and the helpfulness as well. So that's just a little plug about the geometriccharts.com. Some people ask about that as well. One thing, if you do subscribe, you get an email that has a private Slack channel link. That is how you will enter in. Sometimes it does go to spam mail because the email contains a link. So things like Gmail can automatically kick that over to spam since you've not started a conversation with the email that it's being sent from, and Gmail can look at that as potential spam. But don't worry, it's not a scam that you've won $200 million and it's in an Egyptian bank and I just need your social security number and address or something crazy like that. But anyways, so that's it. Again, I thank everybody for their time, their support, and I'll talk to everybody on Wednesday. I do my videos, if you're new, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.